The graph below can be used to convert between United States dollars and Eastern Caribbean dollars. Using the graph, 1. Convert US $2 to EC dollars. 2. Convert EC $70 to US dollars. Alright, so let's examine what we have here. Now notice on the x-axis we have EC dollars. So let me just highlight that. And on the y-axis we have US dollars. Now whenever you're working with graphs, the first thing you need to do is to understand the scale that is being used. Notice on the x-axis, one big box is equal to 1 EC dollars. Let me highlight that. So you notice that it goes all the way up to 10 EC dollars. So these are the big boxes and they go all the way to 10. And on the y-axis, it's pretty much the same, where one big box is equal to 1 US dollars. And it goes all the way up to 4. Right? So we have 4 big boxes. Now here's a closer look on our graph. I strongly recommend that you have a printout of this question so that you can see the lines more clearly. Within each big box, you have 5 smaller boxes. So let me highlight that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as I said, once you do a printout, you can see all of this more clearly. Since there are 5 small boxes in one big box, then by dividing 1 by 5, that will tell us how much each small box is equal to. And the answer is 0.2. This means that each small box is equal to 0.2, or in this case, 20 cents. Since we now know what the scale of the graph is, we can go ahead and answer the question. So starting with our first question, we're going to convert US $2 to EC dollars. So let's get back to the graph. So the first thing is we need to identify $2. So US $2, we're going to draw a horizontal line across and see where it meets the graph. So let's go. This is our horizontal line. Okay, so across. And now we're going to go down. We're going to go down like that. Give it a little fix. And there we go. All right, so as you can see, so this is right here. Let me use my pencil. Okay, so right here, this box is 0.2, so it's going to be 5.2. And where the line meets the x-axis is at 0.4. So this is going to be 5.4. Therefore, we can say that US $2 is equal to EC $5.4 or $5.40. From the graph, we cannot tell how much 70 EC dollars is, because if you notice on the x-axis, it only goes up to 10 EC dollars. However, we can find out what $7 EC is in US dollars. And from there now, we can find what $70 is in US dollars. So let's go. Here's a closer look on our graph. So let's get started. So 7 EC, we're going to trace that up to the graph. Let's connect that now to the y-axis to find how much US dollars it is. Need to tap a bit. All right. There we go. So let's see how much EC dollars it is. So right here is 2.2, right here is 2.4, and right here is 2.6. So EC $7 is equal to US $2.6. Therefore, EC $70 is equal to US multiply $2.60 by 10 is equal to US $26.